Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device is unlocked and updated, because OS changes affect available themes. Open Settings and go straight to Lock Screen or Personalization. This is where you change time appearance. Once there, tap Clock or Time options to begin. You should have a photo or widget ready in Photos or Files so you can preview quickly. This saves time and prevents surprises. Doing this now avoids back and forth and helps you focus on the visual adjustments that follow. Now you choose the clock style and refine its look. Pick digital, analog, or a custom widget so the time suits your lock screen layout. You'll change font, size, color, and add shadow or backdrop transparency to maintain legibility over busy photos. This is why contrast matters. Make sure to toggle AM/PM versus 24-hour format and test different sizes so the time doesn't overlap icons or widgets. As you tweak, use the preview to confirm readability from a glance. Finish by tapping Save or Apply, then lock and wake the device to verify how the time looks in real use. Seeing it in motion confirms spacing and visibility. If elements overlap or the time is misaligned, go back into the editor to reposition widgets, change margins, or switch font size. Those adjustments fix most layout issues. If changes fail to appear, restart the device or reset lock screen settings. This refreshes cached previews and usually resolves stubborn application problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.